in 10 minutes we've made $12,000. Wow! Oh my god, Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Emma again and we continue our trading. And I really want to set a very high and big goal for today's trading actually, because I have such a mood and I guess you have such a mood too, because you remember my creed. My creed is always try and do your best, always analyze the graphs, always analyze the chart, and the practice makes perfect. And today I want to give you these moments to share with you my experience in order to kind of motivate you, to encourage you to do the same, to practice your own, and never stop, of course. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel. It's very important for me, you remember. Put your like, write a comment, ask me any questions you want to ask, and come to my Telegram. I'm really waiting for you in my Telegram. Come to my Telegram, write me the code word private, and come to my special private chat where you find many interesting and important, of course, trading signals that will help you make profits. So, and we are getting started. So guys, today we are gonna trade on Quotex platform, and as usual our plan is to overclock our deposit. Now our deposit is $500, but I'll try to overclock it up to $10,000, why not? So at the moment we can see that there has been a good and strong uptrend, and now there is a trend reversal, you can see that. And that is, the price has approached the main level and is pulling back down from it. And I expect it's gonna be the downtrend after such a strong uptrend, and so we will mainly open trades with down, yes. And our first trade will be also due to the downtrend. We can see that there is a small flat on the left side. That's on the left side, there is a level where the price has delayed for a while, and now with pulling back it's going to fall to the next level down. Maybe at the next level there will be some price situations, it may be the delays or small pullbacks, but it will move on to the next level. That's gonna be a downtrend and we should open trades mostly with down. I guess you understand that. At the moment we can see a good and impulsive downward movement. The price dropped to the level and it has started to pull back up. After that it will go even lower to the next values and so on. This is especially well showed on a 5-second chart. Let's wait for it to close, but everything is very good now, I suppose. Yes, let's prepare the investment of $925 in order to open the next trade. Well, look here, the price has dropped down and it's starting to pull back. I'm entering a trade with down. Also, you can see that on the left side the price had a small flat. What happens in an uptrend, the same things happen in a downtrend too. When the price was rising, it was moving in an adulting way. The same is happening with it right now. It's moving down, and at the same points it has such moments. That's the pullbacks up or a small flat, but it will mainly fall lower. Now the bears are going to dominate and drive the price down. So it's very important to analyze the chart, Well guys, we have a few seconds left. Let's wait for the results. I guess everything will be fine. There are small bounces, but the price is mostly moving down due to the trend, the downtrend actually. That's why we should open our trades with down. There are just about 15 seconds left before the end. We can see the price has gone up a little, but there's nothing wrong with it actually. Our candlesticks are 5 seconds long and it's okay. Let's wait for the results. Well guys, it's great. Our trade has gone profitable. Well, let's open another trade with down, also with $1,000. And next trade will be with the rest of our deposit all in. Remember that it's the 5 seconds chart. We usually trend on 15-second chart where one candlestick is formed within 15 seconds, But now we have 5 seconds candlesticks. This way the graph becomes longer, it's kind of expanding. And the trend is becoming long too. But we can enter trades with down because it changed nothing. It's just a way of display, it's just a matter of habit. Because the levels are at the same places where they usually are. Just in these places the small flat seems longer because of our 5 seconds chart. If we had 15 seconds chart, for example, the flat would be shorter. Literally a few seconds few candlesticks and it's short. If you had 1 minute short, for example, it would be just 2 or 3 candlesticks and then the price would go down. Well guys, our trades are profitable again. Again, the price is on the left side and you can see it has bounces, flats, and I'm opening a trade with down with $3,000 and I really expect the price to delay a little. Maybe there will be a small pullback and then the price will continue to go down. It will fall down lower. Just after the trend reversal, it will move confidently and powerfully it will fall lower. According to the downtrend, all of our trades will be only for a decrease. I guess you understand this. We haven't had a trade with up yet. Now we're at the very beginning of our downtrend. You can see it's only emerging. And I suppose that our trend is gonna move to the very main level. You know, there is still a place to the level and we'll open all of our trades. We have enough time to achieve today's goal. We need only few entry points. Since on every point we're entering several trades, thus we'll have more trades in the end. So guys, let's look. So guys, our trades are bringing us the profit. Also you can see that the price is moving in the specific zone. Look, it has stopped. Let's wait for a small pullback up. I'm sure it's gonna happen after such a long drop. Well guys, it's happening and we're entering a trade with down again. Let's do it with $5,000. Our deposit is $715. Let's save it for a while just in case, but I think it's gonna be fine. After a small pullback, the price is falling lower again. On the 5 seconds chart, the display is noisier, you know, you can see this market noise. The movements are more impulsive, more candlesticks appearing, but this really doesn't change the essence. Thanks to the practice and experience that you will make, you will be used to any kind of chart. You'll be able to understand its movement, the cetaceans appearing. With the 15 seconds candlesticks, it's shorter, the small flat is shorter. Well, on 5 seconds chart, it's longer. That's on 1 minute candlestick, for example, chart it would be even faster, but that's all a matter of habit, you know. It will come with the practice. So guys, let's wait for our trade to close. We have a few seconds left. I think the price will go lower and we'll get our profit. Well guys, it's excellent. Our trades are slowly closing in the profit. Part of them is net positive already. Another part is gonna be these. The trades have been opened a few seconds apart from each other. Well, it's perfect. Our deposit is $9,965 and in fact I have already achieved my goal for today, but let's open one more trade, the last for today, in order, you know, to round the deposit for the round sum or maybe make it even bigger. At the left we can see that the price is at one of the levels where it had a little pullback. I think we can enter a trade with down and do this with $3,000. And it will be our last trade for today. Since I have achieved my goal and overclocked my deposit to the desired sum. And at the moment you can see that the price hasn't had a small flat at all. It has fallen lower, yes, and the small pullback up is emerging and I'm sure the trend movement will continue. The price will keep falling and everything will be good for us. Well guys, understand that we have opened all our trades with down and all of them are profitable. Now these trades are gonna close in the profit, I guess, in literally a few seconds. And I think everything will be fine because the trend continues. There has been a small pullback, but the price is keeping falling. This is a quite strong downward movement here. It's the real thing, you know, and I'm sure we'll have it fine. You know, we have achieved our goals. We already can leave the market. Well guys, our trades are profitable. All of our trades we have opened closed due to the downtrend, you remember? For a decrease, it's very important, and absolutely all of them closed in the profit. And our deposit now is $12,550, and you know, it's only in 10 minutes we've made $12,000. Wow! Oh my god, you know, we remember that we were starting with $500 and we have outclocked our deposit by $12,000. It's great. We made great money in a fairly short time. We made it in just 10 minutes, and I'm absolutely happy about it. I'm full of emotions because it's a very good result to make $12,000 in 10 minutes. Yeah! And of course, I am full of emotions, but you must remember, you must keep in mind one important thing. While trading, you must be cold-minded, cold-hearted, because emotions for a trader while trading can be a big mistake, because you should analyze the market with cold mind. You should analyze all the things. You should get ready to all the situations that can happen. Of course, practice and experience will help you avoid all the risks, and of course they will help you to kind of increase and develop yourself in this sphere. But always remember, you can get this emotional boom after you have made the desired sum. You can do anything you wish. You can make it wow, because you've already made it by while trading. Always analyze, because technical analysis, it's about the cold mind. Of course, I'm very happy because this result's absolutely perfect. And as I've told you before, and I will tell you lots of things, analyze the charts, analyze your trading, practice a lot, because the practice makes perfect. You will be able to understand the movements of the chart, the movements of the market, of course, all the situations. You will be able to predict all these things and get the gorgeous results, because you know that I'm very fond of technical analysis, and I wish you'd be fond of this too, because why not? Yes, make it your hobby, make it your lifestyle, and you will make the best results. Of course, thank you so much for your watching. Come to my Telegram, subscribe to the channel, put your like. If you want to see the trading signals that are profitable, you can come to my Telegram, write me the code word private. I will make you the member of a special private chat where you can get these trading signals, where you can copy my strategy and make money already now. So why not? Do not hesitate. Come faster. So I'm waiting for you. I'm really waiting for you. Yes. So thank you so much for your attention. See you next time.